Hello, it's Dennis here, and I'd like to share with you some tips and easy to follow steps on how to get the UpWork Rising Talent badge if you have no experience whatsoever. In the beginning of my Upwork career, I had no idea what it is and how to get it, and it cost me dozens of cover letters and if not thousands of dollars. And after watching this video, you will be able to save that money, get your first job much faster, and what is the most important is to smash that like button. Why do you need this badge at all? As a rising talent, you will receive following perks, and among those perks, I would count as useful only 3. The first one is a one-time bonus of 30 connects. It's a huge deal, and only this one worth all the hassle. Well, these connects may help you tremendously receiving your first interview and possibly a first job within 1 month. The second one is a rising profile badge that helps you to stand out to your clients. This is more of a psychological.
A few moments later.
This is more of a psychological perk and just makes you feel a little bit more professional, especially in the eyes of clients who are not aware of what rising talent and top-rated badges are, and they may mix it up. The last one is no fees for the clients that you bring to Upwork. This is not for everyone, but if you are migrating from another platform, this may be a good deal. Here, the only downside will be an Upwork policy overall, and you will have to wait 3 weeks for withdrawing your money. But other than that, I see also no downsides. The only downside here will be that you will have to pay withdrawal fees, but other than that, this is a good deal, and literally you receive a time tracker for free. In my opinion, all other perks are not very useful and just do not worth even mention them. Okay, now you know why you should have this badge, and let's move to the steps on how to get it. First of all, Upwork constantly updates their UI and brings new rules. So I try to concentrate on evergreen tactics on how to get it, no matter what situation there, what UI there. So that's why you will not see any UI frames. But other than that, you will see some tips and tricks on how to get it. And the first one is make sure your profile is 100% complete. Just dedicate 1 hour of your time and do it. Just try to make it look as professional as you can, and that's it. The second one is to upload a professional looking photo. Try to avoid photos from parties, selfies, dark environments. I picked up a few examples that might be okay. This one and this one. Just do not use your family photos and make sure your face is distinctive. But obviously don't go crazy over it. And the third one is a little bit controversial, but do not price yourself too low, because it might look like you do not know what you are doing. So try to set the price that you would like to work on, and it will make your work better and more professional in the end. If you have done all above, you should go to the fourth one, and it's check your email and find there an Upwork readiness test. You know, honestly, just use common sense and you should be able to answer all the questions correctly. But if you're a little bit afraid or worried about that, try to Google how to get Upwork readiness test. And the fifth one is the last one is just go to bed and do not stress about it. Don't be upset if you didn't get one. Overall, it's just a badge, and it doesn't define if you are ready or not for your new career. Personally, I didn't have one, and believe me, diligence and professionalism will outperform any badge or luck in the long run. It's just how it works. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it helped you, because when I started, I had no information at all on how to do it. So I hope I will be able to bring some value to you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. I'm a very small channel, so I will answer and read all the questions and will try to give you my perspective on your situation or point of view. So do not hesitate to do it.